Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to anatomy parathyroid glands. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today our topic is parathyroid glands. In today's topic, our topic outline is definition of parathyroid glands, structure, arterial supply, venous drainage, innervation, lymphatics drainage. First, we start from definition of parathyroid glands. Parathyroid glands are endocrine glands which are located on the posterior aspects of lateral lobes of thyroid glands, which are 4 in numbers. Mean parathyroid glands are endocrine glands. Its location on posterior aspect of lateral lobes of thyroid glands, and the number of parathyroid gland are 4 in numbers. This is the definition of parathyroid glands. Now come to the structure. In structure, this is the posterior aspect of lateral lobe of thyroid glands. On the posterior aspect of lateral lobe of thyroid glands, the oval shape, egg shape, 4 glands are present, which are called parathyroid glands. Now, the 2 oval shaped glands present superiorly, called superior parathyroid glands, and 2 oval shaped glands present inferiorly, called inferior parathyroid glands. Structure: parathyroid glands are of oval shape, and 2 are superior parathyroid glands and 2 are inferior parathyroid glands. Because superior parathyroid glands present superiorly, they are called superior parathyroid glands, and the 2 present inferiorly, they are called inferior parathyroid glands. This is the structure of parathyroid glands. Now come to the arterial supply. In arterial supply, we already studied in thyroid gland lecture. There are 3 arteries which supply the thyroid glands. Number 1 is superior thyroid artery, number 2 inferior thyroid artery, and number 3 thyroid ima artery. Now, superior thyroid artery supply the superior and interior region of thyroid glands, and inferior thyroid artery supply the inferior and posterior aspect of thyroid gland. Now, when inferior thyroid artery supply the posterior and inferior aspect of thyroid gland, now on the posterior aspect of thyroid gland, the parathyroid glands are present. Mean when inferior thyroid artery supply the posterior aspect of thyroid gland, it also supply the parathyroid glands. Now the arterial supply of parathyroid glands from inferior thyroid artery, which is branch of thyrocervical trunk. Now come to venous drainage. The venous drainage of parathyroid gland is by parathyroid veins, which drain into thyroid plexus of veins. Because the thyroid, the veins which drain the thyroid glands, they make a plexus, and in these plexus, parathyroid glands which drain the parathyroid glands, these veins are drained into thyroid plexus of veins. Venous drainage by parathyroid veins which drain into thyroid plexus of veins. Now come to the, after venous drainage, come to the innervation, from where parathyroid gland receive innervation. Now, from cervical ganglia, mean cervical sympathetic ganglia, for thyroid glands, the thyroid branches are emerge which come to thyroid gland. These branches also innervate the thyroid glands but also innervate the parathyroid glands. Now innervation from thyroid branches of cervical ganglia or sympathetic ganglia. This is the innervation. Now come to the lymphatic drainage. There are two types of lymph nodes which are responsible for lymphatic drainage of parathyroid glands. Number one, deep cervical lymph nodes, and number two, paratracheal lymph nodes. Lymphatic drainage through deep cervical lymph nodes and paratracheal lymph nodes. Now today we studied the parathyroid glands, definition, diagram, structure, arterial supply, venous drainage, innervation, lymphatic drainage. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.